We can see another way to perform transaction in a SQL, manual SQL. So one tag has a SQL tag. So we can insert the data, update the data, delete the data by XML. So currently we have three fields, employee. So we can one we can insert the data. So we create a one change set, and yeah, SQL tag it is used to write query, simple query, just like a native query. Okay, insert into employee name, salary, values. So I write here yes Patel, and his salary like a 10,000. And one another update query here, right, update employee set salary 7,500 where ID has 1. So that is also benefit in Lequibase. We can write a native query in a XML. So we can apply and restart the application for getting the effect कि all table has any reflection had occur, or new data inserted or not, or ID1 has salary reflected or not. So for that we restart the application and now see if any problem have. So that is a problem maybe. So we see, yeah, currently produce the problem error. So we can again restart and see what is the actual problem. Yeah, successfully application is started. Now we can see our data is reflected or not. Now see, Mayur Patel has before 9,900 salary, and we apply here 7,500. So that is update query is running successfully, and one another record is write as a native query in a Lequibase. So that is successfully updated. Okay, now we also check key delete query is also working or not, because of I refer the lots of log, and SQL query sometimes is not working or erase all the data. So manually I write here to check out the delete query is working proper in Lequibase or not in a SQL tag. So delete from employee where ID is 4. One consider, like two consider, and we can understand properly. Now we I restart the application to see the reflection of the ID2 data is yeah, we see the ID2 data removed from the employee table, and so let's see, yeah, it's working. So SQL native query also supported in Lequibase. For that only SQL tag need to define. Inside the SQL tag we write manually native query. So let's say